Biryani is a festive dish from the Indian subcontinent. It's made with rice, meat, spices, and vegetables. I suggest you to make a deliciously flavored chicken biryani. Here are the ingredients for 6 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. Use 500 grams of basmati rice. Wash it 3 times. Let it soak for 30 minutes. During this time, remove the skin from the chicken thighs. Mince the shallots. Crush the garlic cloves. Grate a piece of ginger. Take 2 tablespoons. Mince the cilantro. And the mint. Cut the lemon into wedges. Now we can start cooking. In a saucepan, heat it over high heat. Put 10 centiliters of oil. When it is hot, put the shallots. Stir from time to time. As soon as they start to take color, turn on low heat and regularly stir. When they are golden like this, turn off the heat and take them out, leaving the oil in the pan. This cooking time is about 10 minutes. Put the chicken thighs in the pan heated over high heat. Briefly stir and add 2 teaspoons of salt. Green them for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Turn on medium heat. Add the grated ginger and the crushed garlic. Stir from time to time for 2 minutes. Turn on low heat and add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of sweet pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Stir for 1 minute. Add the tomatoes, half of the fried shallots, half of the cilantro, half of the mint, and the chili. Stir and simmer over medium heat for 5 minutes with a lid. Stir from time to time. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat to add 250 grams of yogurt. Mix and relight on very low heat. Let simmer for 10 minutes with the lid on. Stir from time to time. During this time, heat the water for cooking the rice. In a pot with 3 liters of water, add 5 cloves, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 5 crushed cardamoms, 2 small pieces of cinnamon stick, a little cilantro, a little mint, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Bring to a boil. The chicken has simmered for 10 minutes. Remove the lid. Turn the heat to medium and let the sauce reduce for 15 minutes. Stir from time to time. Put the drained basmati rice in a pot of boiling water. Briefly stir. And let it cook for 6 minutes over high heat. Drain it. The sauce of chicken has reduced. Cut the fire. Cover the chicken with half the rice. Some fried shallots. A little cilantro. And a little mint. And put on the other half of the rice. And again, the fried shallots, a little cilantro, and mint. I melted 50 grams of butter in microwave oven. Spread it over the surface of the rice. Put the lid on. First, heat over high fire for about 30 seconds. Then, turn on very low heat for 10 minutes. The chicken biryani is ready. Bon appétit! You will discover a very colorful biryani. One part of the rice is soaked in the sauce. The dish is not hot, but everything is flavored. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.